After watching the video, I learned that even though PID controllers work well in theory, there are several word limitations that can cause problems, especially in integral part. One of the key takeaways in the video is the concept of actuator saturation, which means that a system like a motor or heater cannot exceed in its physical limits, no matter how much input you give it. Because of this, the integral term in a PID controller can continue accumulating error even when the systems can no longer respond, leading to what is called integral wind up. And this causes the system to overshoot or respond very slowly once it recovers. So the video also explains how anti-wind up methods like clamping or conditional integration are used to tap or limit the integrator when saturation happens, and which helps improve the system stability and performance. So for me, the video was very helpful because it showed that the real engineering systems are not perfect and that theoretical models don't always match reality. I like how the video used practical examples such as motors reaching their maximum speed to explain why integral wind up happens. So it made me realize that simply designing a controller is not enough. You also need to consider physical constraints and nonlinear behavior. So the explanation of anti-wind up techniques made the concept easier to understand because it shows how engineers actually solve these problems in real systems. However, I think it would be even better if there were more step-by-step demonstration or simulation to fully visualize the effect. And as a future engineer, I found that this topic was very important because it highlights the gap between theory and real-world applications. And one key insight I gained is that control systems must be designed with limitation in mind, not just ideal conditions. And the idea of preventing integral wind-up teaches me that small issues in a system can lead to large performance problems if not properly handled. So this is very relevant in fields like electronics, automation, and electronics where systems often operate near their limits. So the video helped me understand that mastering PID control is not just how about knowing the formula, but also about knowing how to make it work effectively and safely in real world situations.